The process of the engine dismantling and completely removed from this lovely 56 vehicle is in the process. The radiator is out, just taking the power steering area components out, and we will keep progressing. Plenty of room. Fantastic. Love that. Taking a few parts off, continuing it. Plenty of room here. I love it. Very roomy. Very roomy. That's the water pump there. And let's continue. Yes, that's the head. Say no more. And that's only one of them. And look at those damn pistons. Whoa, in the block. I haven't touched anything, haven't removed anything, but that's the head. It wasn't that bad to take out. Next, number 2. The engine is out. As you can see, big bloody mess. And there it is. Not a lot to say. It's looking good. The one-man band. Well, we've pulled out one of the pulleys. Came out quite easily. There's the water pump. Looks like somebody's replaced that. Now I'm onto the crankshaft pulley. And I don't know whether you could see, there's a Woodward key in there. Using this contraption. It's doing a fairly good job. And we should have this out. Success with the crankshaft pulley. Tighten the bolt back on. This is the timing cover of the 331 Hemi, and the timing cover has started to come off, as you can see, and it will come off. Timing chain cover came off quite easily. You have to do it gently. I don't know how, but that looks like on the crankshaft gear there, the little brown thing. Nice shite. How did it get in there? Unbelievable. The chain is very loose, but that's a solid chain. Timing chain cover off, cogs are off. Just gonna remove these brackets where the cam is, cam shaft, and the cam shaft obviously goes through there, all the way to the end. Lifters have been removed. I left the last one in there just to show you. They're in a nice box, all going to be numbered in sequence. But coming back to this one, this is the last one, and as you can see, it's moving pretty nicely and it's pulled out nicely, but there was one or two that needed lubrication, and I did that. So here you go. Nice. And the camshaft's right underneath. A bit discolored there. We'll have that nice and polished.